Hi guys, welcome to a very special video with Digit.in, and what you're seeing in front of you is the new Cat S61 smartphone that Cat has announced at MWC 2018. It's going to start retailing April, and it costs around $880. And I have with me Anna, who's going to take us through many features that this phone possesses. It's a rugged smartphone, as you can see, and as you've already seen with Cat smartphones before. So let's give it away to Anna. Anna, just tell us about the phone.
People are familiar with the S60, know the FLIR camera from before. Right now, this one has a higher resolution for the camera. So the previous one was not in HD. So right now we decided to put the screen on HD as well. And then of course the familiar pinpoints, knowing where you can pinpoint
temperatures in different areas.
Yeah, exactly. The exact temperature in different areas. And still take a picture and go back to the temperature when it was before. But some new features, for instance, are like being able to live stream your temperature map on Facebook, which was asked by French rescuing teams specifically. So it would help them to get people to save other people, but also if you get in trouble yourself when saving someone, people would know your geolocation and everything.
Okay. What has the response been like for the Cat S60 before this? Because it's a niche smartphone, you know, not everyone is going to buy it. But what kind of people bought it, and how was their response?
Well, the response was very, very good. We didn't expect it to be that good, actually. So mostly people bought it who are working construction, which was our aim in the beginning, especially. But also firefighters, for instance, and many people who work with animals, vets, people who look for animals, because you can actually see inflammation on the camera, so hotter spots within the body, so you can help animals more specifically, but also people. Well, you can see it in people, but they're not using it in hospitals, of course. But you yourself get stuck, then you can see it on the live stream. Those kind of uses, as well as other people being able to help you out.
Right.
So if you're a plumber and you don't really know what the problem is, you can live stream what you're seeing on Facebook, and then other people can help you out.
What kind of battery life does the phone have?
Right now it's regular battery life. I think it's about the same as the S41, so it's a bit more than usual, about 2 days. And the battery is a bit smaller than the one of the S41, and it doesn't have battery share, but it is more. Well, it uses less energy. So,
can you highlight some of the more features apart from the FLIR camera, the thermal camera? Can you talk about the other features that it has? It has air quality monitor.
Yes,
as well,
exactly.
right?
I can demonstrate that one as well. So if we go to the air quality one. Right now you can see, well, we've demonstrated quite a few times. So right now we have poor air quality. Then I'm just going to grab, we have VOC sticks here, if I can reach them. So these contain all kinds of bad gases that the phone actually picks up on. So if you hold it near the sensor, just for demonstration purpose, if it's not empty yet, yeah, there you go. You can see it go up.
Yeah.
It measures every 30 seconds. So at first we wanted to do every 10 seconds, but that's not good for the battery life. So every 30 seconds there's a reading. There you go, and now it's going up again. And they also get a notification right over here that you're in an area with very bad. I don't know.
So just a quick question. When it says that you're in an area with bad air quality, what's the index?
It doesn't give you the specific types of gases that are in your area. So that's not something it does. That's not what it's for. But it does save your geolocation once again. So it saves when you were exposed to bad gases, and for how long. So for instance, if you go back to this one, and you can see when we tested it, for instance, and then you can see here when that there was bad air quality on Monday, and then on Friday again, and also at which time.
Right.
And here it also gives you can see when it wasn't used and when it was. So here it shows you for how long and what time that air quality was. So for instance, if you're a painter or you work in any office or something, and the quality of the air is bad, you can actually go back exactly to the moment that the air quality was bad, and it records it. So it keeps a record as well. So
plus the phone also has some measurement tools as well, right?
Yes. You can use it.
Take a picture and measure.
Yes. Let's see, because right now it's kind of glitching a bit when starting it up. Okay, so you can see the laser down there. In the green square, there's a laser point. Then you take a picture. And then here in the corner, it tells you the distance between the phone and the point where the laser is pointing at. So right now it was 101.1 centimeters.
Okay.
Yes, it's accurate to 2%. So it's not as good as, for instance, the professional measuring tools. And in the finished product, it's also going to be able to measure areas.
Have you guys announced a price for the Cat S61?
I believe it's going to be 880 euros in price right now. Yes.
Okay. All right. And any plans to bring this to India anytime soon?
Well, we do have somebody who's doing India, who has India as an area. So yes, we are definitely planning on doing also stuff for India.
And when does it hit the market?
We're not quite sure yet. So I know for our other phone that we're launching, it is going to be end of April, beginning of May. And I think this one is planned to be around that time as well. But of course, we still have to pinpoint some of the technical issues, for instance, with the laser. So that might take a bit longer, but that's when they're planning for. Yeah.
Thank you so much.